Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Inspect the pitcher and blade assembly for cracks and ensure the lid gasket sits flush so seals form. Pour liquids into the pitcher first to create a vortex. Then add chopped solids in uniform 1 to 2 centimeter pieces so the blades can catch them. Once done, add ice or frozen fruit last and keep fill between 1/2 and 3/4 of the max line to avoid overworking the motor and ensure smooth circulation. You now choose the right Auto IQ program, select crush for ice-heavy mixes, blend for purees, or smoothie for seeded fruit, to let the preprogrammed intervals manage speed and rest cycles. If chunks remain, use short pulse bursts to break them up and then resume Auto IQ. Pulse helps dislodge wedges without overheating. Make sure to pause and check consistency. If material sticks to the sides, stop and redistribute with the tamper. Then restart the Auto IQ cycle to finish evenly. You finish by turning the unit off and removing the pitcher. Always grip the base of the pitcher, not the blade, to prevent cuts. Rinse or run warm soapy water directly in the pitcher and run a quick 20 to 30 second cycle on high to clear residue, then disassemble for full washing. If the motor stalls or Auto IQ won't start, unplug and reset the base. Check for jammed blades, and reduce the fill to 1/2 next time to prevent overload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.